Good morning, students. Students, in the previous class, I explained you the addition and subtraction of algebraic expression with the help of example 5. I explained you all these 5 example A, B, C, D and E, and these 3 example, these one also. Today I am going to start exercise 5C, in which you will learn addition and subtraction of the algebraic expression. How can we add the algebraic expressions? So let us start. First question, add the following algebraic expressions. A part is 2d minus d and plus 3d. There are 3 monomials and we have to add these 3 monomials. I have written this question here, 2d then minus 8d plus 3d. First we will write this in this way because we have to add these monomials. First is 2d, then put plus sign because we have to add. So we will put plus sign, then this minus 8d will be written in bracket, then plus 3d. Now first we will write positive monomials. First is 2d and then this plus 3d. Now out of this bracket there is plus sign, so we will not change this minus sign, and this minus 8d will be written as it is. We will not write this plus sign. Okay, now simplify it. 2d plus 3d is 5d, then this minus 8d, simplify it, 5d and minus 8d. Both the monomials are with different sign. This is plus 1 and this is minus 1. So we will subtract this 5d from this 8d. Although we have to add. Students, add doesn't mean that we have to add 5 plus 8, 13. No. We will simplify it accordingly sign. So our first sign is plus and second is minus. So we will subtract this 5d from minus 8d. It will be minus 3d. Now its B part is minus 2e, then 4e, then 2e cube. Again first we will write with plus sign this minus 2e plus 4e plus 2e cube. Again 3 monomials are given and we have to add these 3 monomials. Students, in this question you are noticing that minus 2e and plus 4e, these two are like terms. Both the terms carry variable e and e. But here third term is with e cube or e power 3. So this is not a like term. Only these two are like term. First we will solve these two like terms. You know that we can add or subtract only like terms. Unlike terms we cannot add or subtract. So if we simplify minus 2e plus 4e. Again both the terms are with different sign, minus and plus. So we will write it 2e. We will subtract this 2e from 4e. It is 2e and this plus 2e cube will be written as it is because this is an unlike term. Now students, we will write it 2e cube plus 2e because in the answer we always write the descending powers of variable. It is e cube and it is e power 1, so we will write it in descending power. Largest power is written first. Now come to C part. Its C part is 17a plus 11b, comma, minus 9a minus 8b. This time we have two algebraic expressions. First is this one and second is this one. Both are binomials. So students, we can do it in horizontal method or by column method, in both the method. See how we will write if we write it in a horizontal method. 17a plus 11b. We have written this first expression, then plus sign. Again for addition we will put plus sign, then write this minus a minus 8b. Now this 17a will be written as it is plus 11b. Out of this bracket again there is plus sign, so we will write these two terms as it is. No change in sign. It will be written as minus 9a minus 8b. Now like terms will be written together. It is 17a and it is minus 9a. These two terms are like terms, so we will write them together, 17a minus 9a. Then we will write this term 11b and minus 8b. These two are like terms, so plus 11b minus 8b. Now we will solve these two like terms and then these two. 17a minus 9a means we will subtract 17 minus 9, 8a plus 11b minus 8b. Subtract this 8b from 11b, we will get 8a plus 3b. And if we do this question in column method, how we will solve? Same question. First we will write first expression 17a plus 11b. First expression will be written in one line, first line. Then below it we will write second expression. We will write minus 9a minus 8b. Like terms will be written below the like term. A will be written below the A and B is below the B. Now solve this. It is plus 11b minus 8b. Both the terms are with different signs, so we will subtract 11 minus 8, 3b, and sign before the larger number sign is plus, so we will put here plus sign. Now 17a plus minus 9a. Again both the terms are with different sign, so we will subtract this 9 from 17. 17 minus 9, 8a, and before the larger number there is plus sign, so it is also plus. Answer is 8a plus 3b. Both the answers are same but method is different. You can do any one method which you feel easy. Now come to D part. Its D part is 9a minus 7b plus 3c, then comma 6a plus b minus c. Again there are two algebraic expressions. First expression is this one and second expression is this one. And there are three terms. This time in one expression there are three terms. So if we solve this question by column method, how we will do? First we will write first algebraic expression 9a minus 7b plus 3c. Then write second expression in second line. Any term of second expression will not be written in first line. In first line we will write only first expression. Now second expression in second line, it is 6a. Write 6a below this 9a plus b. Below minus, put plus sign. Below b, write b, then minus c. You are noticing these two are like term, these two are like terms, and these two are also like term. Now solve it, simplify it. Again we will apply the same method. Plus 3c minus c. Minus c, students, will be read as 1c. In algebra we do not write 1 with variable. If there is any variable we do not write 1. So plus 3c minus 1c. If there is no number, no numerical value, it will be considered as 1. Plus 3c minus 1c. Both the terms are with different sign, so we will subtract smaller one from the larger one. We will subtract this 1 from plus 3, then we will get 2c with plus sign, because before the larger number sign is plus, so we will put here plus sign, and c will be written as c, not c power 2. It is only c, it will be written as c. Now come to second term, minus 7b plus, again it is 1b. Minus 7b plus 1b. Both the terms are with different sign, minus and plus. Students, you know, if two terms are with different sign, we always subtract smaller one from the larger one. So we will subtract this 1 from this 7. We get 6b with minus sign. Here before the larger number sign is minus, so we will put minus. Here before the larger number sign is plus, so we will put here plus. Now it is plus 9a. If there is no sign in the starting, then it will be read as plus. So it is plus 9a plus 6a. Both the sign are same, plus plus. So numbers will be added. 9 plus 6, 15a. Clear? Now come to its E part. Its E part is 20x minus 10y plus z, then minus 20x plus 10y minus z. Again we will use column method to simplify it. First we will write first algebraic expression 20x minus 10y plus z. 20x minus 10y plus z. Then write this second algebraic expression in second line. It is minus 20x. We will write minus 20x below this term. Then plus 10y. It is plus 10y. Then minus z. Now students see, it is plus 1z and it is minus 1z. This is plus sign, this is minus sign. Both the terms are with different sign, plus and minus. And you know, when two terms are with different sign, we subtract. It means we will subtract 1 from 1. 1 minus 1 means 0. And they will be cancelled. Plus z minus z is cancelled. Students, always remember, if two terms are exactly same is z, 10y, 20x. If two terms are exactly same but with different sign, then they are cancelled and we get 0. So plus z minus z is cancelled. See again here, minus 10y plus 10y. Two terms are exactly same, 10y and 10y, but with different sign. So they are also cancelled. Minus 10y will be cancelled with plus 10y. Again, third term, this is plus 20x and this is minus 20x. Both the terms are same, 20x. First term is plus, second is minus. Again these terms are cancelled and we will get answer 0. Always remember, students, I am repeating again this statement. Always remember, if two terms are exactly same but with different sign, then they are cancelled. Okay? Now come to F part. In F part, there are three algebraic expression. First is 17f plus g minus 7gh. Second expression is 13f plus 3g plus 5hg. And third expression is 2f minus 4gh. We will write all these three expression in column method. Our first expression is 17f plus g minus 7gh. Second is 13f. We will write 13f here plus 3g below this g 3g plus 5hg plus 5. Students, see, this is 7gh and it is hg. Here power of g is 1, here power of h is 1. Here also power of h is 1, g is 1. Power of g is 1. So we can write this hg, we can write as gh. If powers are same, then we can write in this way. But if power, suppose here is power 2, then we cannot write below it because they will be unlike. Now come to third expression is 2f. We will write 2f here, then minus 4gh. We will write gh below this gh. here this place will remain empty. Okay, we will not write any term below this g, because in third expression there is no term with variable g, so it will remain here blank. Now simplify it. See this 7gh, how we will simplify it, student? Suppose we are taking first these two terms, minus 7gh and minus 4gh. Minus 7gh minus 4gh, it will be minus 7 and 4, 11gh. Then this plus 5gh, plus 5gh. When we will simplify, we will get 6gh. So we will write here minus 6gh. Again, see it again, minus 7gh and minus 4gh. Minus 7 minus 4, when two sign are same, minus minus, as it is I have written here, minus 7gh minus 4gh, both are minus minus sign. When two sign are same, then we will add their numerical value. We will add 7 and 4, it is 11 with minus sign. Sign will not be positive, sign is negative, minus 11gh, then this plus 5gh. Now both these two terms are with different sign, so this time we will subtract 5 from 11, then we will get minus 6gh, because before the larger sign, before the larger number there is minus sign, so it is minus 6gh. Now solve this plus 1g and plus 3g, both are plus plus, so we will add their numbers, it will be plus 1 and 3, 4g. Now here it is plus 17f, plus 13f, plus 2f. All three sign are plus, so all three number will be added. 7 plus 3, 10, 10 plus 2, 12, carry 1, 1 and 1, 2 and 1, 3. It will be 32f. Now come to its G part. G question is 8a cube plus 7a square plus 4a plus 3 comma minus 2a cube plus a square plus 10 comma 6a cube plus 3a plus 1. Again there are three algebraic expression. First one is this one, second is this one, and third is this one. Again we will write these three expressions in three lines. First expression is 8a cube plus 7a square plus 4a plus 3. This is first expression. Second is minus 2a cube. We will write here minus 2a cube. Below a cube we will write a cube. Then it is plus a square. Plus a square will be written here. Below plus we will put plus sign, a square, a square. Then plus 10. 10 is a constant term. Here constant term is 3. So 10 will be written here below 3. In this line, this space will be blank, because there is, in second expression there is no term with variable a. So space below this 4a will remain empty. Now third expression is 6a cube. We will write now in third line 6a cube plus 3a. Students, see, in this expression this is the variable, this is the term with variable a, plus 3a. So we will write this plus 3a below plus 4a, but in third line. We will not write here in second line. We will write in third line below 4a, because a and a both are like term. Then plus 1. Plus 1 is a constant term. We will write it plus 1 like this. Now again simplify it. Plus 3, plus 10, plus 1. All these three terms are with plus sign. So no subtraction. We will add these three terms. 3 plus 10, 13. 13 plus 1, 14 with plus sign. Because all three sign are plus, so here it is also plus. Now come here. Plus 4a plus 3a. Two terms are with plus sign. Both the sign are plus. No subtraction, no minus. So simply they will be added. 4 plus 3, 7. Plus 7a. Student, if two terms or three terms or four terms are with plus sign, then there is no minus sign. Sign will be plus. Similarly, plus 7a square plus 1a square. Both the sign are plus plus. Again these two number will be added. 7 plus 1 8 plus 8a square. Now come to here. Here student, we will solve this line like this. As I explained here, this is plus 8a cube and this is plus 6a cube. So first we will add these two number, plus 8a cube plus 6a cube. See here, 8a cube plus 6a cube. It is 14a cube. When we simplify these two, 8 plus 6, 14a cube. Then this minus 2a cube. Minus 2a cube. Like this. Then 14 minus 2, 12a cube. With plus sign, because before larger number there is plus sign. So it is 12a cube. Clear? Now come to its h part. H is c plus 9a plus 13b, comma 2b plus 3a plus 2c, comma 2b plus c minus a. This is third expression. Again in this question also there are three algebraic expression. We will write in the same way. First expression in first line, c plus 9a plus 13b. Then second expression is plus 2b. We will write this 2b below this 13b plus 2b. In the starting there is no sign, so it will be considered as plus 2b plus 2b, then plus 3a. Below this 9a we will write plus 3a, then plus 2c. 2c will be written here. It is plus 2c. We will not put this plus sign because in starting if there is no sign it will be considered as 2 plus sign. Now third term, expression. Third algebraic expression we will write in third line. It is plus 2b. We will write here plus 2b plus c here. Then minus a. Minus a will be written here, minus a, like this. Okay, now we will solve. There are three terms with variable b and all three sign are plus. So we will add these three number, 13 plus 2 15, 15 plus 2 17 with plus sign, plus 17b. Now plus 9 and plus 3. These two sign are plus. So we will add these two number only. 9 plus 3 12. It is plus 12a, then minus 1a. 12 minus 1 11 with plus sign. See here, plus 9a plus 3a minus a. First we will solve these two. It will be plus 12a, then minus a. A means minus 1a. 12a minus 1a. It will be 11a with plus sign because before the larger number there is plus sign. Now it is 1c, 2c, 1c. All three sign are plus. So we will add these three number. 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 1 4c. Clear? Now I part. In I it is written then 9a minus 8, then 9a plus 9. Very simple, very easy. Minus 9, minus 8 plus 9. Both the numbers are with different sign. So we will subtract. Even we have to add. In the question it is written add the following algebraic expression. But we follow our algebraic rules. When two numbers are with different sign, we subtract the smaller one from the larger one. We will subtract this 8 from 9. It will be plus 1 because before the larger number it is plus sign. Now it is plus 9a plus 9a. Both are plus plus. So we will add the number 9 plus 9, 18a. Okay students. Then j. J is minus a plus 15b plus 32c, then 6a minus 2b minus 6c. Student, plus 32c minus 6c. Both the terms are with different sign, so we will subtract smaller one from the larger one. Carry 12, carry from here 12, 12 minus 6, 6, 2 left here, then 2, 26c with plus sign. Because before larger number it is plus sign. Now plus 15b minus 2b. Again both the terms are with different sign. We will subtract this smaller one from the larger one. We will get plus 13b. Now again these two terms are with different sign. It is minus, it is plus. Again we will subtract this smaller one from the larger one. We will subtract this 1 from the 6. We will get 5a with plus sign, because before the larger number it is plus sign. So students, I have completed up to J part. Only one more part of this question K. X minus y minus 25z minus 2x minus 8y plus 13z minus 40 left. You will do it self. Okay. So today we will do up to here. Second question I will explain in the next class. Okay students, and thank you and have a nice day.